Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Tell me your name and all of the equipment real quick.
Yeah, my name's Jimmy Cade. Pretty much I have a whole lot of Brazilian amps. I have a Powerus 10K on 10 Rockville K9 12 subs. I have a Tar Amps 8000 watt MD on 4 Neo 12s, and I have the 4 Fahrenheit 12-inch PRVs in the roof. Okay. Then I have a PRV 5K on the 2 12-inch Troublemaker 12 right here on the center console. I have a 2000 watts, that's a 4 channel. That's on 4 DR Pro, whatever compression, we like the DR 550s. Yeah. And I have the 2 DKH or 4 DKH ones in the bottom of the door. Then I have a Timpano on the 6 in the back, the 4 15-inch PRVs, the 10-inch Troublemakers, any more power. And I've got 3000 watt Stetson one, total of 6. There's 4 DKH2s and 2 right here.
I like the way you have the built speakers on the side on the box, and it's almost kind of like a tunnel through the back. I don't know if you've noticed that, but I don't see very many people do that. That's pretty cool.
No, nobody does that. Yeah. And in the roof, there's 12s right here.
Yep.
And actually, I'm sorry, there's 7 tweeters, PRVs.
Really?
I messed up. There's one. Smell that? Yeah. I have they're D4s, and I have one that it came unhooked. Is that one?
That's all good.
That's not close. No, one came unhooked, the cone blew off of it, but it was flexing with no power. Yeah. So I stuck a D2s. I have 4 D2s. And I stuck one of those there. It's getting more power. That's the one stinking. Yeah. Perfect. I routed them out, but it wasn't deep enough. And I was like, that's it, man.
That's it.
I'll look for you later.
Yes, sir.
I'll call you tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'll open it. You can open it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.